This doesn't seem right. It has been too easy.
Easy? How's about I ride around on your fingers while you do all the fighting?
I mean that if the mites want to stay hidden, they are making it awfully easy for us to find them.
I did it! I found my real family! It's my entire family tree! I've got to get through them! Good luck with whatever that was you were doing.
FullFamily.com. Does that seem right to you?
Whatever. At least he's out of here. Let's get moving. Tweaking the old
Mama Luigi
engine, eh?
Why? What have you heard? Who are you? I mean, what are you doing here? Why? What have you heard? What are you? I mean, did the committee send you? Sorry, sir. We did not mean what have you heard to upset you. Yeah, well, you can't take care of these threats. What have you heard? Who are you? I mean,
Eh? Yeah, it's
nanoroids. Do I look like a to you?
Yes.
All right, here, man. Let's race. And I'll prove I'm not a cheater. If you can beat me, I'll have a surprise for you.
So, you said you'd give us something if we beat you?
This is a ray. They are very difficult to acquire. Hi, here, man. You can have these too. Ugh, they're way too slippery for me to use.
Wow, thank you guys. You are so... I've never introduced myself. My name is Anwu.
Well, we should leave before any bad guys up.
But I haven't had a chance to tell
The princess!
about your heroic deeds.
You mean the princess, right?
Ratchet, that is very...
Fool!
No, I mean
The princess!
they will be surprised it was so easy to capture such stupendous heroes.
That is very good, Now try sells C by the...
Hey! He was just trying to help!
You've both been very helpful. The cameras that have been following you have captured your every move. And now, we have the information
The princess!
we need.
We?
Yeah, we got him. This was just too easy.
Where am I?
They must have blasted you good, soldier. You're on planet Sparta! In the middle of Robot War 3. Sparta!
The last thing I remember is talking to Anwood, and then...
Whew, that was a close one. You better get moving, soldier. You're gonna end up like me.
You must die!